What's up everyone, Nick at MarineMax here in Cross Lake on the showroom floor showing you a 2024 Barletta Lusso 23UC. This has a 300 Verado engine on it. As you can see, we've got the upgraded vinyl package with that nice crosshatch stitching there with the RGB lights that are currently lit up green right now. We still have this very nice fold out table. A little bit different in 2024. We do have storage space conveniently placed right here. We've got our pet friendly tray for food, water. We do have our center storage here in that middle tune. Plenty of space for cover, poles, backpacks, towels, whatever you may need to bring with you. As we move towards the helm here, you'll notice the elevated helm, which is very nice. Help to see over the top of those passengers in the front. We've got that nice 7-inch Simrad screen as well too. Currently set on our motor function, so we're getting our RPMs, miles per hour, as well as a depth and fuel gauge there as well too. We do have the Audison Bluetooth speaker control as well too, super easy to use. We do have the active trim control feature on this throttle as well with that 300 Verado. Basically, to turn it into active trim control, we just press that button and it does all of that work for us. It's going to adjust your trim based off of RPMs, not off of depth, so you do have to monitor that yourself. Here's the ultra lounging feature that's so popular with Barletta. And we can get this bed to face multiple directions. You can have it just how we had it sitting here, but then fold one of these seats up. And now we've got back-to-back facing. You can maneuver that any which way that you want. We do have our stern anchor storage located right here. So if you like to tie up with your friends, pull up to the sandbar, whatever the case may be, easy access for your storage, for your anchor there. We've also got some really convenient buoy holders as well. Those buoys are notorious for taking up a pile of space in your storage, but now they're conveniently placed right here next to the motor, so they're easy to get to as well. One of the other changes in 2024 is the ladder. Very, very easy to use. Basically, we just pull this pin right here on this ladder, and down it goes. Pet friendly as well, so if you have water dogs or any other pets that want to get in the water, it's super easy for them to climb up. Likewise, it's nice and easy for us to use as well too. You can see this boat in person at MarineMax in Cross Lake, or you can check out our website at marinemax.com, ccboatworks.com. Give us a call, stop in and check this boat out today.